Narayanyam, Dashakam number 2, Shloka number 9. Atyayasakarani karma patalani acharya niryanmalaha bodhe bhakti pathe thavaapyuchitatam आयन्ति किं तावताम् क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. From the previous two shlokas, we understand that there are three primary margams or paths to reach Guruvayurappa for salvation. Karma margam, Jnana margam and Bhakti margam. Atyayasa karani karma patalan yacharya niryan malaha. Hey Guruvayurappa, some of us, some people, they walk on the fire. They perform single-legged meditation without food and water for many days. People perform meditation under waters. So we are seeing people struggle on this path. This path, the path of Karma Margam, is very exhausting and tough. Bodhe bhakti pathe thavaap yuchitatam ayanti kim tavata. And a few others, they are struggling with the intellectual exercises. They are trying to meditate on the concept of Brahman, which is not the same as Brahma. They are working through the devotional literatures, Upanishads, and they are going through struggles on this path. Klishtva tarkapathe param tava vapuhu brahmakya manye punaha. Eventually, all these paths are going to lead to Bhakti Margam. Then why do we need to struggle? Can we not start on the Bhakti Margam directly? Chittardhratva-mrite vichintya bahubihi siddhyanti janmantaraihi. Our final aim is to get to you, Guruvayurappa. Our final objective is to be with you, to attain salvation. So all the paths are going to eventually lead to you. It doesn't matter which path we pick, but why do we need to pick the tougher ones? It's going to take us janmas, it's going to take us several cycles of birth if we are going to follow the first two paths. So here the emphasis is on bhakti and love for God. Atyayasa-karani karma-patalani acharya niryanmalaha bodhe bhakti pathe thavaapyuchitatam ayanti kim tavatam klishtva tarkapathe param tava vapuhu ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः.